In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a closed down Google Merchant Center account. Whether it was closed due to a policy violation or simply because it was inactive, it's crucial to understand the necessary steps to get it back in working order. Let's dive into the process step by step. First and foremost, you need to find out why your Google Merchant Center account was closed. Identifying the reason is key before you can take any meaningful action. Often accounts are suspended due to policy violations such as incorrect or misleading product data, so ensure you're aware of the specific issue. Alternatively, if your account was closed due to inactivity, the solution might be as simple as reactivating it. Now let's move on to logging into your account. Visit the Google Merchant Center and attempt to log in. When you do, you may encounter a message that explains why your account was closed initially. This message can be invaluable as it often outlines the steps you need to take to address the problem. Simultaneously, it's a good idea to check your email for any correspondence from Google. They typically send emails detailing the reason for account suspension, along with instructions on how to resolve the issue. Locate these emails to get a clearer understanding of the hurdles you need to overcome. Once you've identified any problems, it's time to address them. If your account was closed due to policy violations like inaccurate product information, you must correct those issues. Ensure that all your data complies with Google's guidelines. After making the necessary adjustments, you're ready to proceed to the next step. If at any point you find yourself uncertain about the reason for the account closure or how to solve a specific issue, don't hesitate to contact Google Merchant Center support. To do this, navigate to the Help section, which is typically represented by a question mark icon in the top right corner of the interface. From there, select Contact Us and follow the prompts provided. Google's support can offer valuable guidance and clarity throughout this process. Once you've reached out and addressed any issues, the next step is to wait for Google to review your appeal or the problem at hand. Be patient as this review process takes some time. Google will notify you once they have made a decision, and they will inform you if your account has been reinstated. Recovering a closed Google Merchant Center account can be a fairly straightforward process once you know the key steps. Just remember to keep your account details accurate, monitor your emails for crucial updates, and reach out to support whenever you need to. Thanks for watching, and best of luck in getting your account back up and running.